What is Crypto Ultimatum? This software program is a training system whose purpose is to teach you how to make huge profits from trading cryptocurrencies in the shortest period. We all know how technical the crypto strategies can be, thereby requiring a lot of time and effort to grasp them totally. So, it is a big win if this time frame can be reduced by a significant margin. A significant aspect of this program is that you do not need to have any technical skills in cryptos to get started. Everything is presented in a systematic and straightforward manner so that beginners can have an easy time understanding the terminology and concepts used in crypto trading. Further, the beginners will appreciate the insider information and tips, all meant to reduce their learning curve and help them make profitable trades in no time. What you get with the program. Once you sign up for the service, you will gain access to several topics that will guide you in your journey towards being a successful crypto trader. If you follow the tips offered to the letter, your struggles with cryptocurrencies will reduce by a significant margin. These topics include the world of cryptocurrency, how the author used $100 to make $1,006 and then used that $1,006 to make $257,000 with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the market. The 4 things that used to scam you in the world of cryptocurrencies. How to make use of the leading cryptocurrency information sites. The secret methods that give you Bitcoins for free. How to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. How to store cryptocurrencies safe and secure. About the cryptocurrency stock exchange where you can buy and sell smaller altcoins. The primary training system where you get several cryptocurrencies. Free lifetime updates. Customer support in case of any problems with the program. You can send an email to the support team and they will respond as fast as they can. Pricing and bonuses. This software program will cost you $77. Note that this is not the only amount you will spend, since after making the purchase, you will still need to deposit some money to credit your account so that you can get down to the trading. We still found this price to be fair given the potential of making significant profits from the amount invested, and you can start at $100. Further, you will also get some bonus materials that will boost the overall usefulness of this service. Any potential red flags to this program? As a matter of fact, there are. We shall point out some of the issues that we found wanting with the system so that you can be more knowledgeable and cautious before making a purchase. These issues are: there is limited information about the creators of the program. Therefore, we do not know their reputation or if they have been involved in fraudulent practices in the past. The developers assure you of making a lot of money from an initial investment of $100. This deal may sound too good to be true for some. Its pricing is not that clear. Once you purchase the system for $77, you will have to make another deposit to your account so that you can start trading. Some people may easily be caught unawares by this fact. The promotional video in the program could also be a red flag as it only persuades you to sign up for the service. For some, this may indicate that the developers are only after your hard-earned cash. Free Bitcoins. It may be true, but they do not come as easily as the creators make them out to be. Pros and cons. Before we wrap up our analysis of Crypto Ultimatum, let's look at the benefits and drawbacks that we can find with this program in summary. Pros. No technical skills required. Fairly priced. Information is presented in a simple and easy to understand manner. Does not need a lot of your time, i.e., about 10 minutes per day. Works on both Mac and PC systems. Comes with bonus packages. Cons. Only available in digital format. Not much is known about the creator.